In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Twitch donations for your Twitch account. So this is basically a tutorial how you can add donation links to your Twitch channel. So basically what you want to do, you want to open up a new tab and type in Streamlabs. So now you want to go to Streamlabs, and if you don't have an account yet, it's very easy. You can just hit login and then sign in with your Twitch account. That's very easy. So you don't have to use an email or a password. Then go to your dashboard, and it will look like this, and then search in Streamlabs for donation. Just type in donation, and this is what you want, donation settings. So here you can see all these different options. So you can get donation through PayPal, credit cards, Unit Pay if you live in Russia, or Skrill. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up for PayPal. So let's hit PayPal, then hit connect right here. And now it's going to authorize with your PayPal account. So enter in your email, just like this. And then your countries, I select my country, which is the Netherlands. Then hit next. And there we go, log in with your password. And this is very easy because it will accept right now. Just do skip and I'll do it later. And there we go, now it's authorized. So now you can go back to Streamlabs, there we go, and then go to your dashboard again and type in donations again, there we go. And then you can go to settings and you can basically change everything. So if you want USD, just leave it like this. If you live in Europe, you can do Euro, and you can also select the maximum amount and the minimum amount. So this is the max message length. So if you want a voice message, you can enable everything. You can enable tipping, the maximum amount, suggested amount. This is really up to you guys, however you want this. Then you can hit save settings down here, and that will basically be this. So you can change everything however you want. So this is very easy to use, and as you can see, you can also use it on Mixer, Facebook and YouTube. And if this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.